But all these ones, they're going to show them.
We're here to inspect. I know you know about this place. It's usually called Port Harcourt Tourist Beach, and for so many years it's been abandoned, not put to good use. So part of our program for the Rivers people and to bring back River State to what it used to be before is to make sure that they revive the Port Harcourt Tourist Beach. As a matter of fact, what I came to do this afternoon is to inspect the second part of the land which we just acquired recently to expand the space. And we also have an investor who is willing and has the capacity to re-establish this place to a modern tourist center. So I'm happy really happy that our people are already excited that the once forgotten Port Harcourt Tourist Beach will come back to life. But let me tell you, our able youth, we need your support.
Yes, sir. We are here for.
Also, encourage the contractor.
Yes,
don't
sir.
sabotage him when he comes. Huh? On our own part, we'll do our best for you to make sure life gets better.
Yes,
so thank you. Thank you.
guess they were kind of reach the last meeting, on our own move.
Nobody go collect that for one. Nobody go collect
Okay, selling some.